Turn around.
See right here.
Turn around.
No. No.
There you go. Please take him to fucking jail. If you don't take him to jail, I'll fuck you, I swear to God. Take him to jail.
Come here. Come here.
The female that answered the door explains what happened that caused all of this.
Please.
What happened?
I don't even know how he got back in my house, dude. The officer came, okay? Officer will tell you he was here. He told him, he said, you come back here, you will go to jail for trespassing, okay?
So he doesn't live here?
No, he's not. He's been barred. But the thing was, it was on my behalf, okay? So when he went to court for the 45 days, we just had a daughter. I went in labor 3 months early, okay? From all the bullshit.
So he came back today,
Yep.
was here, you just called the police?
Yeah, obviously.
You guys didn't argue anything like that?
No, he's been trying to pull me, won't let me out of the house. The kid
Was
was in the car.
that the second time?
Yeah, this time. He just kept me in the house, wouldn't let me go outside. You know what I mean? Oh, get this cell phone. Hit me. You know you want to hit me. No, I don't. I just want you going. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know better. You know what I mean?
Did you guys let him in?
Yeah, ask him. I think it was this one right here.
Did you let him in? Yeah?
That's what I deal with
Is that your
all
boy?
the time. Yeah.
How old are you, boy? 7-year-old? 7-year-old let him back in the house, although he was told that he was barred and he wasn't supposed to come back. Did he hit you, or?
No, just pulling on me. What
do you mean pulling on you?
Like pulling on my, pulling on my damn clothes. Like, look, his shirt's right here. He took his shirt off. He was like, well, I'm changing my shirt. You know what I mean?
All right, but what do you mean pulling on you?
Just pulling on my, just keeping me back in the house. You know what I mean? I was asleep, right? Kids was outside playing. We just did Christmas. When the officer left, we hadn't even opened gifts yet because I took off at 5 o'clock this morning to go see my newborn. I have a 1-month-old in the NICU because she's only 32 weeks right now. He goes with me to Columbus. We're up at
Columbus, Ohio.
Yeah, we went to Columbus this morning to see. We have a share of daughters.
Right. Did you guys argue?
Just tell him to leave. Just trying to get him to leave.
They were arguing about trying to get him to leave, and the young one let him in the house while she was sleeping. I'll give you a statement for him to fill out.
Yeah, I have a question, right? With my daughter, when she gets released, he's about to go to a motherfucking mental house, dude. He's fucking nuts for real.
I know you told me that.
I'm being serious.
Yeah.
Now that officers know that the suspect convinced the 7-year-old boy to let them in the house, upsetting the mother, this interaction is now much clearer.
Come here.
Headquarters, we got one running northbound from here. Southbound on Columbus. Sorry, westbound on Columbus.
Stop! On the ground now!
She called me.
On the ground!
She called me.
Turn around!
What?
Turn around!
I am.
No, you're not! Turn around!
See right here.
Turn around!
114, where you at?
Bro, don't do
You're
it.
gonna get tased!
She called me. She called me, bro.
On the ground! Now!
Oh, please don't stop. She stopped, sir.
Hands behind your back now!
Yes, sir.
Did they shoot him? Did they shoot him?
With a taser.
Oh, God, I heard it go. Oh, my God, I thought you guys fucking killed his ass. He took off running. He's not dead or nothing, right? He's not dead or nothing.
She called me, man. She called me over here. She called me. I got stuff, okay? Okay?
Dude, what'd I tell you?
She called me, man.
I don't care.
All right, 21.
I don't like her, bro. That bitch is
Tried to cut him off. He started coming back to me when I first got there.
I started coming up to
Stay
you.
down.
I started coming up to you. I want to talk to you, sir. I wanted to talk to you and let you know, man. Her bitch
If you wanted to talk to us, you shouldn't have took off running.
I know, but don't do it. I'm not.
Stay down.
I'm on the right here, sir. All right, she been with me. Oh, damn, y'all let everybody know. I've been chilling that fellow because she nothing to me.
Dude, I don't care about that.
All right, y'all
Roll
let
on
me
your side.
All right. Oh, God, I'm trying. Please, push me, bro.
I'm gonna get you up.
All right. Thank you. I appreciate y'all, man. I'm gonna let y'all know, man.
I heard a pop. I heard a fucking pop, and I thought I said, I think they fucking shot him because he's ignorant. You know what I'm saying? Like, I never know. Like, if he swings on that officer, you know, that officer fears for himself. That's a reason to do it. You know what I mean?
I just came with you some water. I'm thirsty. Damn, look at this blood on me, man. I mean, it's for me, bro.
Yep.
Where? All right, taser. That's
Yep.
why. You shot me?
Yeah, with the taser.
Yeah, shoot me for real.
No, with a taser.
All right, because I ain't having that. I appreciate y'all. That's what I'm just saying. Like, okay, I want to let you know. I'm sorry. I'm gonna let you know you're amazing and you're amazing. Okay, I want to let you know both know.
All right.
I want to let you both. It don't sound weird, but I love you, bro. Right. I love you, man. I'm sorry. I want to let y'all both know y'all amazing. Y'all, I want to let y'all both know. Y'all disagree. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
All right, this is what's going to happen. All right, EMS going to come. They're going to check you out. All right, you're getting arrested for criminal trespass and resisting arrest at this point in time.
Okay, but I want you to know too that I'm telling the truth here. I've been at resident for years, sir, and I'm just going to let you know. I'm telling the truth here. But that girl started arguing with me. Okay, so
I don't disagree with that. Okay,
I know.
But here's what you have to understand.
What?
All right, I was here earlier. I told you don't come back.
Right.
You came back.
I didn't get my clothes.
Dude, you took a tote of stuff with you.
I know.
You could have waited until the metro opened back up. All right?
I know. You're right.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Come back here. You take off running. All right.
I know you're amazing. I love y'all, man.
That's what it is.
I know, sure.
Right.
But could you hand my meal ticket? It's for I go to the hospital and eat. Sometimes I do my meal ticket. So you put it in my pocket?
Yep. Slide your feet in. I'll put it in your pocket.
Thank you, sir. Man, I'm sorry for running for you, man.
It's all right.
I wanted to explain to y'all first. I wanted to explain to y'all, bro. Well, before even the ride, I wanted to explain to you first. I was like, I wanted to let you know I've been there for a year and all. I just,
all right.
I don't know like that girl.
Right.
I'm a baby, and once my baby comes home, I just want to take over my mom. My mom.
He came out to the back door. I'm standing on the side of the house.
So you guys saw him on Metro property?
Yeah. He came out the back of the house. And I said, dude, come over here. So he starts walking towards me. Arbogast went through the house, out the back door. When he went out the back door, he saw him come out the back door, took off running. I'm like, dude, stop.
You can book him on trespass.
So he chased him all the way over here and had to tase him.
When I heard a pop, does them tasers make a pop thing?
Oh, yeah. He thought he was shot, too. These tasers are new, and they hit a little bit harder than
Oh,
the
my
old
God.
ones.
I was like, oh, my God, I think they shot him.
No, but he did have a knife, but no.
Yeah, like, that's what I'm saying. He don't even think. You know, you take off running, you got a knife in your pocket. You see what I'm saying? But
Yeah.
if you guys fear that, you know what I mean? That's a good way to get your ass killed.
Well, yeah, he's lucky it was a taser and not a gun, but, yep, and then just keep him away.
Sir, was that my coat?
Yeah, I put it in his car.
Oh, thanks.
You're going to ride in his car, not mine.
Okay, I appreciate you. You're amazing, man. Nice meeting you, sir. Merry Christmas. I put my hands up. One thing, can I let y'all know? My mom, I'm not right now. Can y'all let her know what's going on? I just went over there and talked to her.
Give him his phone number. She'll call when you get to jail.
I went over there and talked to her. She's like, make sure you don't go back over there. She said, just go get your clothes and so you don't go to jail. I said, no, Mom. I went over there to that bitch, like she said, and she said, just tell a story and all that. And then I said, all right. I went to her story. She started kept on bitching, bro. And I was trying to let my mom know, bro. Like, you know what I mean? This is going on now. This happened out of nowhere.
Slide in there.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. Slide out here. Hang on. Right. Also, the knife that you had in your pocket is going to go in contraband because they want to take it into the
I know. I did it before. Hey, bro.
Check them out first.
Did you get let up?
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Hey, man. How you been, bro?
Good.
Good to see you again.
Where'd you hit at?
Right here in the leg, but it's basically healed now. I mean, like, you know what I mean? I just, you know, I didn't think Taser did this thing.
Oh, yeah, those barbs are sharp.
I know y'all don't wash clothes here. These ain't gonna be washed while I'm here, are they? I mean, I hope y'all. Cool. I appreciate that, man. That'd be a blessing. Thank you.
All right, man. What's that? You take
Yep.